I wonder if this product works. Let's see. The robot cameraman. First thing to do, we gotta add the batteries. Next, we gotta download the app. This is the 360 mount, great for FaceTiming or Zoom calls where you want to record yourself. But maybe you're moving around, so it spins, trying to keep you in frame. You can use it for live streaming, TikTok videos, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, anything like that requires movement. You now have the freedom to move more around without having to keep in mind to check your phone if you're in the shot. This little cameraman will adjust for you. Overall, it does a pretty good job. I was surprised it moved very smoothly. Do I recommend it? Well, it's a no and yes. What? Wait, let me explain. Pro, not bad for a cheap price. I wouldn't expect much, but it does the work well done. It moves the camera really well. 10 times better than a handheld shot. You don't need to press the off switch. When the Bluetooth on your phone is off, it will automatically turn off in 40 seconds. It also can be added on a tripod! Yay! Now you have a fantastic setup now. But wait, there's more! You can also place it in portrait or landscape. Con. The app is freaking hard to download. When you scan the code from their manual, it brings you to another website just to download their app. This app usually failed for being installed. No matter how much you try, it keeps crashing. Camera quality in app is horrible. The camera quality isn't that good. Look at it. It's so not high quality. Not high quality. But like I said, it's not bad for the price. It's still a great product. But I'm not gonna use it for my YouTube videos for its low quality. This is the most cheapest 360 face mount I could find. There are ones available that more expensive but doesn't need an app. If you want quality videos, then go with the more pricey one. I would choose that myself. Now, the biggest question, how to use it. Step 1, turn on the product. Step 2, turn on your Bluetooth. Step 3, connect with Apai. Ding! Step 3, go to their app. If the product goes blue, then you're ready to record. Just mount your phone up and you're now ready. Well, this one, it squeezes your phone. So we're gonna swap this Ulanzi U mount to this Apai Genie mount. We upgraded the Apai Genie with Ulanzi mount, Joby tripod, and the Andover ball head. But it's quite bulky and it's quite big. He's still alive. Oh wait, where are we? Wait. By mosquito. Okay, you're dead. Stop drinking my blood. Hey, you reached the end screen. Now you have to exit the video and subscribe or I'll eat your cookies at home. Yeah, I'm just gonna waste your time here rambling about things and I don't know. Yeah. So subscribe and watch the next video. Goodbye.